y'all, today is March 30th 2025, y'all. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, we almost in April, right? So I said let me vlog today because I got a lot of stuff to do or whatnot, and I haven't did a vlog, and I'm getting ready for video every day April Vita. So with that being said, y'all, it is probably after 11 a.m. and we got up late. Today is Sunday, March 30th 2025, and so I am cooking some sausage, okay? And we're gonna have some sausage on some toast with some jelly or whatnot, or whatever somebody want, if they want, you know, syrup or whatever. And then we're gonna see what we can get done today, because like I say, we've been up, but just we're still in bed. We ain't got up and got ourselves together, none of that good stuff. So y'all, this is how breakfast turns out. So I have made my kids plates. Okay, this is gonna be really good, y'all. We eat in a way where we don't need a lot of food at one time. I know some people think that, oh, that's not enough food. Listen, the human body, do your research, don't need all that food that we just jug in at one time. Give your body time to digest things. That's like going to the gas station and filling up a car and just trying to get more in. I've seen that comment over the years on this channel or whatnot. We have acid reflux, which is, well, GERD, which is a severe form of acid reflux. Me myself don't have a gallbladder no more up until what, 2023. My kids has GERD also, okay? So we don't eat like most people, okay? We just started back like a year ago eating pork, all right, beef, and that's because our iron was low. So I mean, that's the only reason why we eat that. So we normally would eat chicken, turkey, seafood, you know, poultry and fish, pretty much. But yeah, so we don't eat like most people. We eat out a little too much, which we have stopped that. But far as like eating like all the ooey gooey stuff we used to eat years ago and stuff, we don't do that. Anybody with GERD should not overeat. You should eat more often, almost every 2 hours, having a little of something. Talk to your physician or whatnot. Do not go off on what we do. But yeah, anybody know the human body do not need a big amount of food, okay? One piece of toast would have been good. Oh yeah, let me say this, I like my toast light. These people in this house, my people, my people, my husband and my 3 kids, like they toast to be like that. I call that burnt, but they like it. That's the way they want their toast. Oronde said he want his toast to look like toast. I want my toast to be light, okay? Like. I'll probably show you what I'm talking about. See, I like my toast to be light, okay? I don't like burnt type toast or whatnot. That's what I call it. I know it's not burnt, but they like it really brown. See, this is how I like my toast, okay? Yes. All right, y'all, we got 2 hawks who's out here feeding the animals. They can't get my chickens, but this is a prime example of what they do. Look, you see him right there? It was 2. Look at him. Now he gone that way. He was waiting on us. He was literally applying. And my chicken got to making that sound, you know, the alert sounds when they sense something. But they can't get in neither one of my coops. Even a couple of the quails just stopped, like it was 2 of them, and they was circling around. By the time I ran in to get the camera, they gone. But you was able to see them a little bit, y'all. Keep y'all animals protected. But I know now for sure can't nothing get into mines. But if you got some that's free ranging, them hawks and stuff is looking. So yeah, y'all, they still back over there, but this is our food, not they food. And I'm gonna keep mine, like I always tell y'all, nice and comfortable and laughing, you know, until I have to, you know, put them in the freezer. But you know, they're gonna live a good life until then, and I ain't gonna have nothing coming for them. This our food, not theirs. These animals, I know they gotta eat too, but they'll come take yours. They'll come take yours. My girls was over here was over here making that sound. When we was out here, I had just left from giving them some greens and I was standing over there at the other coop, and one of them got to making that sound. I said, we know, and then she stopped and they went back to eating. But they was on alert, like, y'all safe, y'all can't nothing get in here and get you. No, you reinforced all the way around. So, you know, they be on alert. So y'all see them again? Go over here. I think they see him again. Hold up. Y'all see him? Let me see if I can find him. Can't find. And there go the if I can get one. Why I can't find him on the camera? Hold on. Let's see. I can't get him on the camera. Oh, there you go. I got him now. He went back over there.
Come on down.
Oh, there you go. Let me try to get close to him.
Come on down.
Y'all see him? Both of them. Yeah. Some reinforcements. Look at this. Got him. Yeah. They know it's birds over here now. They know it's chickens over here. Alright, y'all, so today is March 31st 2025, okay? March 31st 2025, and I'm doing a little bit of vlogging because I've been giving y'all single videos, so I'm gonna vlog a little bit today. I did a single video today, but I'm gonna vlog a little bit this evening or whatnot. You know, we starting our clean eating. I'm gonna insert video right up here of what I made for breakfast yesterday. And when I was telling y'all in the live stream about those sausages giving us indigestion, y'all, woo, so I'm gonna put that up there. Look at that. Don't that look so good? It should be playing like right up here. Don't that look so good? But y'all, it don't agree with us and our acid reflux, you know. So today been a good day of clean eating and stuff. And I'll be sharing that with y'all, even if we go out and about or whatnot, still trying to eat healthy as possible. Just fed these animals and stuff, got them all together and whatnot, and yeah, it is such a pretty day, a good day. Let me go ahead and say this: if y'all is not subscribed to Amazing Grace Garden, go ahead over there and subscribe to Amazing Grace Garden. The link is in the description box of this video. All right, y'all, it's that time of the year. So what you seeing finna happen right here is dirt. So a lot of y'all been asking me, like, where do I get my dirt from? I used to buy dirt from like Lowe's, Home Depot and stuff, and some of y'all has been watching me for a while, that y'all know, y'all have saw this happening. So I have an area here that I used to get dirt from, but they didn't deliver, so we will have to like rent something and get it delivered and all this. But I have another place here that actually deliver. So a scoop of the topsoil with the turkey blend is about $26 and some change. So I got 2 scoops, okay, 2 scoops, and $35 for delivery. Okay, so he's about to bring this. All right, and come this way. You can watch it as it goes down, and here it goes.
By the time you lift it, it should sit it.
Huh?
By the time you lift it, it should sit it.
Oh. Look at that. Golden. So we're gonna put it here for now because we got some more stuff to do, and then we're gonna just cover it until we can. I gotta go get a wheelbarrow, okay? I gotta go get a wheelbarrow.
only about a little bit left.
You'll be able to scrape it with that. Oh, he got something. And there we go. There we go. There we go. All right. So $93 for all this. Now, like I say, I got 2 scoops. 2 scoops is like 20. Well, a scoop. 1 scoop is $26 and something. Okay. And I do have a video on here on Mississippi Girl Life of the. I have to link it. At the end of this, excuse me, y'all. When I actually went to the place and showed it's like a bulldozer scoop. Okay, but the $35 delivery fee is what boosted it up. So I could pay $26 each per scoop, and if I had my own vehicle or my own vehicle to deliver it in, then it would be, you know. But $93 for all that. Thank you so much. So yeah, so this is a lot of soil, okay? A lot of soil. So I needed soil for some buckets, or whatnot. So this is a lot, okay? So we're gonna just cover this right now till we can dig into and get it, because I have a lot to do. Today is April 1st, 2025. April 1st, 2025, okay? So there you have it. Okay, y'all, so because I have to be out and handling business, still keeping it healthy. So this is a burrito shack bowl. It has rice, chicken, bell peppers and onions, roasted bell peppers and onions, pico de gallo, which is the tomato stuff, some roasted corn, and some queso. Okay, it beats having a burger or fried food. I think that's a win-win situation if you ask me.